Hello, guys. Good morning. Happy Thursday. I hope everyone's doing good. Today we have PPI already released. We had CPI yesterday. The market is moving and grooving. We're having good movement. Not gonna lie. Uh, I don't know if that's gonna be there today. We're gonna be risk off, careful, aligned, really patient, sitting on our hands like we did yesterday, waiting for those high quality setups, taking those like no brainers trades, and being ready to lose too. If we lose, that's okay. We had a great day yesterday, and we have to be prepared to lose as well. And just be prepared for whatever we get hit with and still be able to execute with the discipline required. So that's the requirements today, and that's my focus. So therefore, let us get started. Yeah, give me a sec. Give me, sorry guys, just technical issue. I, I, I don't think I'll be able to have music this time. Let's see, but it doesn't look like it will work. I could do that. Okay, we're gonna be good. We're gonna be good. Okay, guys, I think we're good now. This is ready, and this, I'll leave it like this for now. Okay. Let's open Bookmap. Okay, let's get started with the 1 day, 1 week. So here we can see that we're continuing the sell-off, but like buyers have been stepping in right now. From Wednesday, we sold off. We made a new low on Thursday, right after the market closed. Actually, no, it's not the low. So really? Oh, that was ES that made the new low. So NQ actually had a bullish divergence. So we came back up, back into the range. fact that we're back in the range could chop, this candle could flip red, but I mean, could take the whole day to do so. So it could be a lot of chop. Let's see. So far we're opening in yesterday's valley area too, so I don't know what to expect. On the 1 week, it would be nice for us to kind of like, honestly, it would be nice for us to revisit this level. Like this whole area could be revisited. This would be good for generating liquidity, make a new high. I just feel like it's a it's like it's healthy for the market to do. That's what I feel. Okay. Anyways, that's it. So let's go to the 4 hour and 1 hour. Okay, so here we can see that yesterday ES made a divergence, made a new low, but NQ didn't. So pretty bullish after that move. I mean, we had a nice rally back up to the range, holding this area, consolidated, sellers pushed down. Let's see what the clues will be, but that's really it right now. Like I really don't know. I need to really give. I think this will be a more of a patient game. Like really just seeing like will sellers take control. Sellers take control. It will be understanding that okay, maybe we'll get the pre-market liquidity, or buyers take control and we continue higher, or we just chop because it's uncertainty and we don't know who's in control and the market doesn't know who wants to be in control yet. The auction is not yet resolved, you can say. So that means it's a game of patience. Okay. So let's get to the 1 minute, 50 minute. So VIX is still holding 20 and going as high as 22. Right now, 21 and a half. Nothing that sticks out to me here too. And we do have the 200 EMA that we kind of took resistance on, a lot of consolidation, and we broke lower. Um, I just want to see where we stopped. We stopped here, which is basically almost a 200 EMA on the 4 hour, and then we consolidated and sellers pushed lower. Okay, so we have the 200 EMA as a major resistance, and sellers are holding strength right now. So let's see. Okay, let's get to the 1 minute, 5 minute. Oops, not fun when we make that mistake. So we can see that ES were under yesterday's valley area, and on NQ we were opening up just above yesterday's valley area, and or almost near testing yesterday's point of control. So we have yesterday's we have what's that Wednesday, Thursday, Tuesday's valley area profile above us too. Oh, that stretch felt nice. We have again big contracts, 400 at the 28,720, 28, the 20s, the 20s. Okay, let's have our apple. Wonder why this one has a big order at 720 and then this one doesn't. I'm actually very curious about that. I'm gonna take a photo and bring that up. Because then I would use BMD. Because I didn't see that liquidity at all over there. I'm gonna use what I use the most. But now I'm just like, after I saw that big order and I didn't see it here, I'm just like, what? What does that even mean for me? I don't know, maybe I will use this. I see another contract here. Huh. It's the same thing. I don't get it. This is tm.light. I don't know. I don't know. I have to check because I only chose tm.light because I was told it's good, but like I'm not able to see this big size contracts. Maybe that's why I saw it all yesterday because I couldn't see it in the first place with the tm.light. I have to check. I actually don't know. I have to do my research and see why that's happening and what it means. Like, what's the difference between the two? Nice manipulation. Made a new high on NQ. Feel the liquidity breaking out a bit. Okay, trading view was very delayed on that. That was like a second delay. Jesus, this is 80 points? Whoa, okay. I thought these are 50, 90, 80, 50, 60 points. Okay, these are big candles. I thought the candles were smaller. I don't know why. These are still huge. So now it'll be ES's turn to try to trade point of control and maybe fail because look, it's funny. Sellers fail to trade they front run point of control. Now in ES, buyers are gonna try to play will they front run point of control. So let's see. It'll be interesting to see what happens here. I mean, honestly, I don't know. Maybe a little bit of a pullback would be great, but I don't know if we'll get that. And it's like this is like a, what, 52 point candle. I mean, market is moving and grooving, so like if it does happen, it does happen, right? Let's see. Buyers are closing very nice there. Honestly, good close by buyers. Have to be a little bit careful here. Honestly, I think I'm getting at the wick. It's just better risk. I'm just scared to play the wick. And then, yeah, I'm gonna front run the wick. I guess I clear the wick for this to play. Okay, we feel the liquidity breaking down. Now just let it play a bit. Come on, Spires just immediately bid. Comic phenomenon. With the TT hit too. It's like, watch, it was the first touch. Let's see how it's true, but like, it's just unfortunate. I mean, I can't do much about it, but it's just like, I mean, I get burnt by that way, but sometimes I don't get burnt by the way. I mean, it's just winning and losing, right? But like, yeah, I see it. That first touch to that area, and now it plays. Beautiful, but I mean, I'm just thinking. I mean, honestly, it would have just been like, okay, let's just wait. Like, I think that's the best. But I guess I thought the reaction would be a little bit too quick, and I was wrong on my behalf. I just hate when I have to leave so early when the market's moving, you know? And it's just, I mean, okay. Oh my God, these rips, man. That was shocking. That's the thing, like, it just sucks that I have to go when, because my first trade, if it's a loser, I'm done. 80 points, just, oh my God, that liquidity sweep and then just plays 80 points immediately. God. And it's not done, it's gonna go 100 points. Is it? Yeah, it could. There's just buyers need one more push. I mean, I guess it's just what sucks is I'm out of the arena. Like, I take one trade. It's a very good trade. You could see it literally played out, but I entered on the first touch instead of the second touch, and it's like there's 100 points on this candle. Damn, man, this movement is just like shocking. And I know, like, look, it's 9:51. Do I want to walk away now? No, I wish I could, like, continue. Like, there's gonna be so much more, but I just can't do much about it. Like, I'm done. It's just unfortunate. It sucks. But that's just, VIX is not gonna just go all the way back down. I mean, it could, but um, yeah. So I'm basically like, it just sucks because my TT took a hit too, right? My trailing threshold, and it just sucks when those trades happen. I hit my trailing threshold, and then it goes to my stop loss, right? Those are painful because now it's just like almost as if I have one trade left now. For it's just so unfortunate, right? And then, like, I could have just literally taken this trade on the breakout. Like, there's so much opportunity, and it's just I'm done because of one trade. I don't like that, because if that was a winner, I would have continued to trade this. It's just that it's a loser. We play point of control. Market should show us a selling reaction here. Man, that sucks. That really sucks. Just like really first, I don't know. I mean, I guess just don't keep it on the second. Like let it first react and then keep it. I guess that would have been the best play, but I'm just like also like did that make the most sense for me to do at that in the moment of time? Take a photo of this trade. Like I'm taking a photo of a trade that looked like it played out. But that's it. Like I don't like my trades are no longer like. I mean, I still have it, of course, but less and less. I'm noticing my trades are just trades that like I was in too early or I was in too late. You know, it's just an execution issue, which is fixable, which is good, but painful because it's just like the trade played out. It's just simply the timing of the execution, and then like you're done when the move is just like continuing to go. It's deja vu though. Like this has happened to me like countless times. I guess it's just frustrating when it happens when you know it's 9:53. You know you could trade much longer, but I mean it's not. This mosquito bite is more itchier than usual. Yeah. Okay, well I'll call it. Kind of have to. Let's see what the market does. It's like crazy. Like, look, this is a hundred. This is almost a 200 point candle plus the 70. Like, this is crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. These point ranges. We're moving so much. I'm grateful for it, but it's also painful to just walk away. When honestly, if I be honest with you, this is how volatile it is. This whole move can be retraced. I mean, there's so much opportunity on the table. Like we could honestly, but sellers could retrace all the way to here. Like I just like maybe they won't. I'm not saying they have to, but I'm just saying like that's another move, right? Like that's just frustrating, man. I had a good entry. It's just immediately when it got touched, sellers just got in, man. It's frustrating because like I mean, okay, let's just look more carefully at what actually happened. So this is the 49, right? So I think yeah. So this is what happened. We front run the liquidity, of course. Um, so yeah, manipulation failed, a little bit consolidation, strong selling filled me here, and liquidity is at 39s. That doesn't make sense. Oh no, I think it filled me here. Where's the 39? Where my entry is 45. So it filled me here, and then it went 5 points in my favor. Okay, so I took 5 points of extra TT, but like, I don't know. It's still bad. Maybe it's not gonna be that bad. Let's see. And then buyers immediately bid all the way up to 68. They bid up to 68. Okay. Yeah. I mean, that's another point of volatility. I mean, the wiggle room you need, right? So went as high as 68. But I think what I would have done is honestly just watch Bookmap. Like, I could have been like, okay, sellers trying immediately bid and then keep my order. And then if fill liquidity at where I wanted to enter and just broke lower, and I would have, I mean, I think that would have been the more optimal play. I look at order flow. I didn't look at order flow enough. I think this is the common problem is I get too focused on the price action, which is okay, but like I think order flow is better source of truth because it could have totally showed me, okay, there's liquidity. Let me give it a second. Okay, there's the front run. I mean, then I would have to have like this happen at what? 05? I would have had to have, wait, I'm confused. This was at 05. Oh, I had plenty of time. I had like I had like 20 seconds. I had 20 seconds to decide. I had plenty of time then. Or 15 seconds. But still, that's more than enough time. See, look, sellers already gained, like, oh my god, look. Look, consolidation at the high, and then immediately break down. and we're so close on put. Like, what did I say? I mean, yes, it happened in one candle, but I'm just bummed, man. I have to walk away. Like, I hate it. Like, there's so much opportunities. A part of me wanted to bail this trade, but I was like, why am I bailing this trade? I think more importantly, just don't like look at order flow. Be like, okay, I'm gonna wait a second, and then look, I just protect myself from a loss, and then I'll keep my order and it fill me, and then boom. Like it's just play the second touch, man. Play the second touch. Ah, man, really want to keep trading because I know with these many opportunities, and I'm here to 10:45. Could definitely fix this. I mean, not fix. That's not the right word, but like, I could definitely just take a better A plus quality setup, right? Ah, the one and done, huh? Okay. Man, I'm gonna keep on saying one and like keep on talking, but at the end of the day, there's literally nothing I can do. I got rules that prevent me from doing anything. I literally can't. Actually, let me check something. Okay, guys, we are done. I just wanted to see if I could, but no, it's not possible. Well, anyways, mm, I mean, it's just a lesson, and I'm just being kind of not yeah. I'm just gonna be negative about it because this is like, it's just like frustrating when you take a trade that actually works. Just like, I mean, all I had to do differently was wait for the first touch and then enter on the second touch. That's all, and it's just I get it, it's just an execution thing. It's just a little thing. It's like, but I guess it's because it's like it's this literally number one problem that has been causing me for like months. Like if I can get this rule properly done, like I just compared like when I was able to and when I was not able to, and like when I was able to get the rule like done properly, like oh my god, like I'm having like I would have passed the evaluation a long time ago, and it would have definitely made some payouts for sure, because it's just like the rule has like it's my number one problem, I don't know why it's such a problem, but I mean I think it's a ex I mean I do know the root of it. I know the root is because when I started trading I was always chasing, and because I was always chasing, it still kind of shows up. That's why when I'm in the moment, I place my order a little bit too fast. When I need a little bit more confirmation. I think it's also just like I need to get more source of truth from Bookmap and less of price action, because Bookmap just gives you so much more understanding of like yes, it could play and it could be without you, but I mean, with the liquidity sitting there and the fact that like the candle just opened, maybe just give it a second, and then you can see that I just simply front runned it. Buyer stepped in very aggressively, and then you keep your order, and it would have been great. That's it. So yeah, guys, take care, have a great one, and I'll see you all later.